So scalps is pretty much on the lower time frame, and you're just constantly looking for a quick in and out moves. So something like this, 15 minutes time frame. That'll be 57 pips right there. Quick scalp. Got it right here as well. Quick moves. We didn't actually get the close at the negative 27, but you could have take profit at the 0% or the high where you made the markup on the Fibonacci. So, and the next thing, you might want to trade what directional bias doing scalps as well. So let me give you more examples of quick scalps in the market. So we got this move right here, high to low. So it's quick moves in and out. Like 38 retracement, 38.2 retracement. That's 34 pips right there. So pretty much for scalps, you're looking for anywhere between 20 and 50 pips, quick moves in and out the market for the day, and then you're done. And you could do that at least 2 to 3 times in each session. Each session you could look for a scalp. So you could look for at least 2 to 3 scalps a day, if that's what your personality calls for. So you got to know your personality. All comes down to trading psychology.